3 years ago, I walked into my college and I had no idea what I am going to do. I wanted IIT, I didn't get it. And honestly, I thought I had already fallen behind. I was shy and honestly, I didn't knew how to talk to a stranger. I didn't know what was hackathons. I didn't know what is the meaning of networking. I didn't know what was communities made for, and also I didn't had any clue how do people get internships. I was just a pure fresher. And if you are starting your college right now, you are probably at the same stage where I was. So let me save you a lot of time because college is not just going to classes, write exams, and get a good marks. And most of students don't discover until it's too late. Firstly, stop thinking that college is just attending classes. You wake up, go classes, come back, assignment, and sleep. 4 years gone. That's one version of college, and there's another version of college as well. You walk into a room where 50 students are building something. Someone is coding an AI agent, someone is coding an app, and might be someone pitching for this startup, and some guys might be building robots, and someone is looking for a teammate. You walk in and think, wait, can students do all of these things? And the answer is yes. And I want you to discover the world as early as possible. So, what the hell is this community? You probably might hear that join this tech community, join this, and probably you might be thinking, bro, what even that means? It's so simple. A community is a group of people who are interested in same thing. It might be AI, robotics, cloud, entrepreneurship, or open source. Whatever you are curious about, you sit there, meet them, and start building with them. They organize events like workshops, hackathons, and lot of things where you can just go and start building. They also share opportunities and you all grow together. And suddenly, instead of learning each and everything all alone, you will be having a group of people of same mindset who are learning the same thing. Your college might be already having a lot of clubs like GDG, MLSA, robotics club, coding club, entrepreneurship club, and lot of more. And instead of joining 15 different communities, just join one single community which aligns with your goal, and start attending every community events with them. You can be a member of that particular community, or you can be independent attendee as well for the events. Now let's talk about hackathons. When I first heard the term hackathon, I thought there might be a lot of crazy group of hackers and developers who are continuously building and deploying, and maybe I can't fit into that particular team. But that's not the thing. A hackathon is just basically a competition where you get a problem and you have to design a solution for that particular problem using whatever the technologies you know, or in some hackathons they prefer that only these many things you have to use to build your solutions. Sometimes it's 8 hours, sometimes it's 24, and sometimes it is also 48 hours long. Think it of like it's your business plan and you have developed a prototype and you are just pitching in front of investors. Exactly this thing happens in an hackathon. And if you are attending 3 to 4 hackathons per year in your college, then there is high chances of getting internships or direct referrals for jobs from that particular hackathon. You just did something which most students never even try. Hackathons teaches you how to build with strangers, how to give a pitch, how to start solving problem, how to fail, and how to come back again. Personally, in my first years, I attended totally 6 hackathons in my first year itself, sometimes I added money from my pocket and I went to hackathons with my team and we lost. And that literally disappoints too much. And for a student like uh, me who was just in first year, gets heartbreak, gets ve- gets heartbreak very badly. And I was literally like, no, I'll stop attending this kind of hackathons. But as soon as I entered into my second year, we finally won. And after this, my seventh hackathon was a crazy win. And after that, I was like, no, I am not going to attend any of hackathons. And literally, all my second year went to organizing events. I'll say how did I do. But before that, let me stick on to this hackathon itself. And I literally didn't attended any more hackathons in that second year. And after that, entering into my third year, me and my team won hackathon, where we were competing with professionals with 7 to 8 years of experience, and even people were there who were having 15 years plus experience as well. And being in third year of our university, particularly in fifth sem, we won Hack Night Bangalore, which was organized by Elastic and AWS User Group Bangalore. And yes, this was the last hackathon which I attended. And after that, I was like, okay, let me go through some different things. I didn't get much time after this to attend any more hackathons. And there is one more hackathon which is going on currently. So this is how hackathons excite students. So yep, even you can attend this and you can grab lot of opportunities. And the reason why you must attend hackathon is not for winning. In these 3 years, I understood that there are a lot of parameters on which your winning depends. So that is why I don't encourage people to go into hackathon and just win. You must go to hackathon to meet people. Who knows, the guy beside you might be a co-founder. The senior who is guiding you might introduce to a internship where you can grab that opportunity and you can start working. The mentor in that group might be working in that particular company which you are always dreaming to get in. And who knows, one hackathon might change your life completely. And this is what networking actually means. Forget that fancy LinkedIn definition of networking, because actually it doesn't work like that. It's simply meeting interesting people and staying connected. Talk to your seniors what you're working on, how did you get internships, and how can I also get into that particular company. Ask them and maintain a good friendship, or you can make them as your mentor as well. And please don't walk to someone and just say, sir, can you give me an internship in your company? This might embarrass you. So there might be a situation where you will dig a hole for yourself and you will fall into it. Instead, just be curious, and that is the curiosity which people will remember, not even your name. And this is how I started changing. And this is how I started changing. I started saying yes to things. I joined communities. I started organizing events. And I became GDC lead at my own university. I started meeting people. I started building projects. I started going to hackathon and I started speaking as well. And slowly people started noticing who I was. It not might be because I was the smartest in the room. It was purely because I kept showing up. And next important thing is to build your identity. I totally understand that you are just a young boy who has just entered into his first year of college and he has lot of things to do. But remember, everything starts with building your identity first. As soon as you are leaving your school, you are into a world where you have no identity. Literally, you have no identity. You might go to a university or in a different state where nobody knows you, right? And we humans are not meant for being unsocialized. So we need to be socialized in such a way that people must know at least my name, or they must remember that what I do. So that is why you have to work on building yourself first. Don't just become Rahul, a BTech student. You might become Rahul, the smartest AI guy who is building AI agents, or Ananya, the robotics girl, or the person who builds crazy projects. Give people a reason to remember you. Not by your looks, not by your accents, but there's lot of things more than this to show up and build your identity. Because when someone says we need someone who knows AI, or we need someone who knows high level robotics, and there might be someone in that particular room who might show up and say that, yes, I know this guy and I can call him. And that's when your identity works for you. This is where most of the freshers get stuck. They think that I have to be good at that particular thing to be noticed. Nope, this is not the right thing to keep in your mind. Even I'm not too much good in the things what I am doing. It doesn't mean that I am perfect. So that is why I'm getting opportunities. And I'm that particular guy who is confident enough, and I believe I can do whatever the things come to me. Yes, I might not be perfect, but I am confident that I might learn and I will do it better than everyone. That's the thing which keeps me motivated, and even you have to be in this way so that you can say yes to everything and you can explore each and everything. You have to be jack of all trades and master of none, but still better than everyone. This is the thing which will take you to the next level. This is what will kill your old version, and it will push you to show up something new. And you can understand for what you are made, and what is that particular thing which will keep motivating you to do upcoming 40 to 50 years. And these 4 years is going to determine your upcoming 40 years. Just understand this, and that is the reason why I am pushing you to explore lot of things as soon as possible. And one day, from 3 years now, you are going to turn around and look at the fresher who just walked into college, the nervous kid, the confused kid, the kid who didn't knew what hackathon was, the kid who didn't knew how to talk to a stranger. And I want you to look at that person and say, damn, look what we built. And that's the version of you I'm talking to. If you're starting your college, show up, go, create one. I'm Sham. This is your reminder. Your college years are for exploration. Now, go explore.